Okay, so we're going to do another little quick tutorial video for a user on Facebook group. So what she's trying to do is she's trying to get this font set up to where it'll show up in the text box in VCarve. So Kendra, this one's for you. So what we're going to do is we're going to look at this font and we're going to come down here and we're going to download it. I've already downloaded it, but I have not installed it, so we're just going to download it. Okay, it shows up here, so we're going to open this file. Now it's a TTF, which is a TrueType font extension, so we're just going to right click on it and we're going to go to install. And we're going to get a progress bar and it goes away. Now if we have Aspire open and we come in here to try and do text, so let's go back and see exactly what that name was. Go to our downloads, so it's Regal Split. That's all we need to know because it's in alphabetical order in the list. So if we click here, we start at the top and we look for Regal Split here, we're not going to find it. Maybe I did already install it. But if it's not in this list, all you have to do is close Aspire and then reopen it, or close whatever program, VCarve Pro, because when you open it, it comes in and takes a listing of what fonts are available now at this time of the session. So if it's not in your list, then just close it or save your file. If you've already made design, save it, close it, reopen it, open up your file, and then we can do. So there's our font, and what she's really wanting to do is do it on a curve. So let's make a curve. And let's, now if you're in font form, you can come over here, right click, and change it to curves. So if we highlight that, right click, we can convert to curves, which means it's no longer in font form, so we can't do this next operation. But we can come over here, press T for transform. Let's make this a little bigger. And they're grouped together, so they're not going to line up all the way, so you'll have to place it on the curve and then line it up or whatever. But here, let's make our curve a little bigger. So if we close that, highlight our font, highlight our curve, then do the text around a curve. That's all that's to it. And then you can edit it, change it, do whatever, do the text spacing, however you want to do it. So really quick 3-minute video. I hope this helps you.